everyone, welcome back. So if you're a regular viewer of my channel, then you would be knowing that I have done two unboxing videos on my channel previously, and in case if you haven't watched them out, please do. I'll attach the link somewhere up here or in the description bar below. Alright, so in today's video I have 8 books to unbox for you guys, and this is going to be a lot of fun for me, and I'm sure it is going to be super interesting for you as well, because I think unboxing is one of my favorite parts to do. And yeah, without any delay, let's open our first parcel. And I think the price is not mentioned here. I'll make sure to mention the price on the screen. So yeah, let's open it. Okay, so this says www.marryaghost.com. Quite an interesting title. It is authored by Abhimanyu Jha. This is around 246 pages long, and the title, the blurb quite intrigued me, so I thought of placing my order. And it was such an impromptu purchase, you guys. I was randomly scrolling through Flipkart one day, and I saw that, I just got intrigued by this very interesting title, which is why I placed my order for this book, and I'm really looking forward to reading this. So yeah, this is my first purchase. Moving on to our next parcel. It is quite a tiny one. Let's see which book does it contain. Alright, so it is Nationalism by Rapeen Natigor. I think this writer needs no introduction for very obvious reasons, So I really wanted to read Tagore from a very long time. I think I've read some of the short stories by him, but I really wanted to read this piece because I've heard very good things about this. And I do not know much about this piece, but I've heard that this has got something to do with nationalistic ideas. What is this concept all about? And how does it matter to be a true nationalist? So yeah, I'm really looking forward to reading Tagore for one more time. Can we please unbox our next parcel and see which book does it have? So we have gotten a bookmark here with this book. It says Eleanor Oliphant is completely fine by Gail, Honeyman, if I'm pronouncing the writer's name correctly. So the sole reason for me getting this book was the hype all around it. Also, I've heard that it's a psychological fiction, and I am all for it, you guys know that. So I'm really looking forward to reading it, and also the title is quite intriguing, quite compelling, so why not? And I can also do a reading vlog, maybe, so you can have an eye on that. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to reading this book, and can we please appreciate the gorgeous cover this book has? So yeah, this is my third in the row. Now on to our fourth parcel, and let's open it. Now this time I'm really appreciating the packaging Flipkart has chosen to do. This time they've completely said no to plastics, and I'm really appreciating this thing. Initially they used to provide books in a plastic wrapping, but this time they have completely said no to plastic, and they have instead chosen cardboard. Okay, what? I mean, when did I order this book? Guys, I vaguely remember to have ordered this book, but I'm glad I did. It's Life's Amazing Secret by Gaur Gopal Das. I really wanted to read him since a very long time, because my friends used to talk very great things about this person and his writing. So I had also made up my mind that yes, I'm gonna read this, but I vaguely remember to have ordered this book. I do not remember when did I place my order, but because I'm opening these parcels after a really long time. Like, it's been 3-4 months these parcels were lying in my shelf. So yeah, I'm really glad that I chose to place my order for this, and I can't wait to read this. I can't wait to dive into the ideas, the philosophies of this person. He is greatly admired and respected all throughout the country, and yeah, this is my fourth parcel. Alright, can we unbox the next one, please? Okay. I think I know which book is there in this wrapper. Oh my god. I mean, are you seriously kidding me? I cannot, believe that I've ordered some of the best books for myself. It says it is #1 New York Times bestseller. It's Tuesday with Morrie by Mitch Albom, you guys. I'm being very genuine over here. I really wanted to read this book. Every time I would see any of the booktubers recommendation videos, he or she would recommend this book every damn time, and I had made up my mind that I'm gonna be getting my hands on this no matter what. So I've heard this is a story about Mitch and his teacher who is suffering from a deadly disease, and he knows that he's going to leave this world very soon. So his teacher invites Morrie to give one lesson every Tuesday. And I don't know, maybe I can guess that it's gonna be an emotional read. Very, very excited to read this. Moving on to our next parcel. Let's see which book does this contain. Okay, so here it is. It is The Perks of Being a Wallflower, Stephen Schwarzki, a very popular and much talked about book. I know a picture has also been made on this, but I personally prefer reading books before. But I'm really excited to read this one, and yeah, I think this is going to be a very interesting read for me. Okay, now let's see the next one that we have. So it is Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh. Well, I do not know much about this book, only except for the fact that this is a historical novel which circulates around the partition of India, which took place in 1947. And yeah, I am really excited to read this book because this is one of the most popular books out there, and everyone recommends this at least for once. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to reading this, and this is going to be my first, I think, literature based on the partition of India. Coming to our next, let's unbox this. I have no idea, you guys, which book does it have, but let's see. Okay, so it is Autobiography of a Yogi, and it retails for 83 rupees. And yeah, the sole purpose I placed my order for this was the popularity of this book. Everyone was recommending to read this one. I think this book has some of the very good lessons of life which you can inculcate and imbibe. Oh wow, it also has some of the pictures over here. You can see. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm really looking forward to reading this. Alright, so these are the books which I managed to get my hands on, you guys, and I'm really excited to be reading all of this in the coming months. And I'll definitely update you guys with the review or maybe reading vlogs. But yeah, the only complaint which I have with the Flipkart service, and that has been my frequent one, is that they do not provide bookmarks. At least I've placed my order for 8 books. They should have at least given 3 to 4 bookmarks, but no, only I was provided with 1 bookmark, and that's really a disappointment. But nevertheless, I got quite good deals on these books, and none of them were pirated. So yeah, I really liked all of these, and I'm really looking forward to reading it. Also, if you want to place your order for any of the books which I unboxed in today's video, then please use my affiliate link, which will be mentioned in the description bar below. And yeah, if you liked my video, then please consider liking it, sharing, commenting down below if you have any query or suggestion, and do let me know that out of all these books, which one have you read and which one are you planning to read in near future. And yeah, you can also follow me on my Instagram. I'll provide the IG handle somewhere down here, so go and follow me there. I'm super active, and until then, be safe, do well, keep connected, and thank you.